Good evening, everyone, and thank you all for taking the time out to be here today. I'm Karan Mulchandani, and I'm the founder of Enlightened Sapiens, and I'll be your host for today. With me, I have the Secretary of the South Asia Bonsai Federation, Mr. Sudeep Jadhav, who will be my co-host. So on behalf of the South Asia Bonsai Federation, I'd like to give you all a very, very warm welcome. We have a very interesting session for you all today. In fact, it is the first Bonsai and Society exhibition in the South Asia region. So I hope you're excited as I am. It's going to be a very interactive and learning session, as well as an inspiring session, right? Exhibition. So to start today's activities, I'd like to call upon Mrs. Sneha Prasad to say a few words. Sneha ma'am needs no introduction. She's the driving force why we're here today. Um, out of respect, I'd like to introduce her quickly. She's the director of the World Bonsai Friendship Federation, the president of the South Asia Bonsai Federation, as well as an honorary governing councillor of the Indian Bonsai Society. Sneha ma'am has a few words to say. I'm just going to put that up on the screen and we can start today's.
Namaskar and good evening to all of you. It is my pleasure to welcome all the national and international clubs on a very upbeat note in 2021. South Asia Bonsai Federation adapted to the pandemic by moving to online platform. This pan-India Bonsai and Suzuki virtual exhibition is one such example. The result of teamwork of more than 50 clubs all over the country. The cooperation, collaboration, and talent of members of these clubs makes the bonsai community very proud. I stand tall as I introduce to you the efforts of the Bonsai Ambassadors of South Asia Bonsai Federation. Today's event has been organized and executed gracefully with the creativity of my bonsai ambassadors. They have realized one of my dreams, for which I thank them. Their journey to ensure today's event has not been an easy. Restrictions on travel, contacting scores of bonsai artists online, selecting and shortlisting the display has been an uphill task. To ensure fairness and impartiality, the collection of one zone were shortlisted and selected by the members of other four zones. Curating the final 150 photographs out of nearly 1500 sent to them is no easy task. Before we begin our program, I would like to acknowledge a few more bonsai enthusiasts. Thank you to many senior artists who generously agreed to showcase their collections. It is the spirit of togetherness which has allowed South Asia Bonsai Federation to fill the gap between regional, national, and international platforms. Thank you to our esteemed judges as they bear witness and lend us their respected opinions. Thank you for the acknowledgement, confidence, and encouragement given to South Asia Bonsai Federation from numerous international organizations. Before I end my address, I must share one more project that is an important part of my dreams for the Indian chapter of South Asia Bonsai Federation, an exhibition of top 100 best bonsais. SABF plans to document this in both electronic and print format. This will become a permanent part of Indian bonsai heritage. I look towards the 50 clubs to help and support us in this endeavor. Now, let us enjoy the treat put together by our team of bonsai ambassadors. I hand over the mic to our MC, Mr. Karan Mulchandani. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And as ma'am said, we are going to start off with a very important segment of our event. We're going to introduce the judges to you. Mr. Sudhir Jadhav will take you through this segment.
Thank you, Karan. Warm greetings to all our esteemed viewers and participants. I'm immensely pleased to introduce our first judge, Mr. Sujay Shah from Mumbai, India. Sujay and his better half Rupa have been involved with nature and promoting the green revolution since more than 25 years. Both are popular bonsai artists and have set up Surup Bonsai in the outskirts of Mumbai. Sujay and Rupa have also represented India at an international level at global bonsai conventions in Puerto Rico, Vietnam, Indonesia, China, Thailand, and Taiwan. Their mission is to be the source that bridges the gap between the urban society and nature. Requesting Sujay to please take a moment to greet everyone here. Can we have Sujay on the screen?
Hello, sir. You can unmute and say a quick hello to everyone who's joined us.
Hi, everybody. Hello,
Yes,
hi,
Sujay.
everybody. Wish you happy bonsai, and we are very much thankful to you all for giving us the chance to, work with you, and I hope it will encourage all of us to upgrade our standard, and the thing will become more
better and popular.
yeah.
Energetic.
Yeah,
Thank you, Sujay.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sujay.
Welcome.
Dear friends, our second judge for this event is Mr. Mohammad Anisul Haq from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Anisul is an eminent bonsai artist and a world-renowned photographer from Bangladesh. Anisul is a graduate from the Pathshala, South Asian Media Institute. His high-life photo story was shown at Chobi Mela 6 International Photography Exhibition in 2011 and featured in the Majority World Exhibition at The Guardian in London in 2012. Anisul is the General Secretary of Bangladesh Bonsai Society. Requesting Anisul to connect with our audience to greet everyone present here.
Thanks to SABF to organize such a big event. I hope all of South Asian bonsai lovers will enjoy and learn a lot from this wonderful event. I'm grateful and feeling honored that you have selected me as your one of judge of this great event. Thank you.
Thank you, Anisul. Thank you.
Thank you, Anisul. Dear friends, these are our judges for the day, Mr. Sujay Shah from Bombay and Mr. Mohammad Anisul Haq from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Let me take a moment to take you through the various sections for judgment. The judgment will happen in 3 sections. The first section is the best of the show, virtual exhibition of bonsai in Suseki 2021. The second category is the best video of an upcoming artist. And the third section is the best of each region, namely the North, South, East, West, and Central. I now hand over the session back to Karan. Over to you, Karan. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sudhir, and welcome to the judges. We're going to now see the images. I'm just going to play that on the screen and enjoy, all of you.
Yashodhara Khaitan, practicing bonsai for last 6 years. These are collection of my bougainvilleas, which are plants are 40 years old, which is growing in my garden, now converted to bonsai. These are some of my big variety of bonsais, the junipers and ficus.
Hello, I'm Yash Jain from India, and I'm into bonsai since last 8-10 years. And like I have some of my bonsais in my collection, which I have made it. This is Jacquinia. This one is People Ficus. Then Divi Divi, Bodhi People, Ficus virens, Ficus variety, Buttonwood, some of the flowering bougainvilleas. My favorite plant Premna. Again ficus, drooping style of Carmona microphylla, Casuarina, and a beautiful banyan tree, Ficus bengalensis, bougainvillea again, and few more which are, some are into trainings.
Hello everyone. My name is Virendra Singh Chauhan. I am from Udaipur, Rajasthan. Bonsai is my passion. I love painting. Let's have a look at a few under training bonsai of mine. This is my ficus bonsai. It has got a nice characteristic of fused root. This is my banyan bonsai. I have made many paintings, but I love this one. Ficus virens with exposed root. The base has been created. Now we will work on other aspects. Schefflera root over rock. The trunk size is 10 inches. I have hunted this a few years back.
I hope you've really enjoyed those images and videos and found them inspiring. I know I did. So now we're going to move on to our next segment. And as President Sneha ma'am already mentioned and declared that this program is powered by the Bonsai Ambassadors. So now I will be taking you across to their studios live. I would request the judges to select one bonsai out of the 5 best bonsais from each zone that the Bonsai Ambassadors will be showing shortly. And of course, as I mentioned, this session is going to be interactive. For you, the audience, we're going to put you through a question and answer segment after this. Listen to all their speeches carefully, because all the answers that are going to be hidden within the next segment. So let's begin with the South Zone with Mrs. Anupama Vedachala. I'm going to quickly introduce Mrs. Anupama. Anupama Vedachala has been practicing bonsai for the past 20 years. and is dedicated to sharing her passion with others through teaching. The South Zone consists of Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Namaskara. I'm a bonsai ambassador from South Zone. There are about 13 clubs and about 49 artists have taken part in this exhibition. The flora of South Zone is very rich and varied because of its good weather conditions. The most suitable species for bonsai in tropical weather is ficus. Species like Ficus virens, Ficus tomentosa, Ficus sheila, and Ficus mysorensis, as the name suggests, are native of this zone. The other species like Pithosalobium dulce, Tamarindus, Acacia, Gulmohar, Diasporas are found in this area. Pithosalobium dulce has many names like Vilaiti imli, Ingadalsi, and Manila tamarind. It is also known as Madras thorn, as it reflects the local city name. Many good Susaikis are found near the river basins of Krishna, Kunda, Kaveri, and Godavari, and several of its tributaries. Many good stones can also be seen on Nilgiri Hills and some parts of the Western Ghats. Please view 5 best selected bonsais for my zone. Thank you.
So now we're moving on to the North Zone with Mr. Soumik Das.
No, we have not seen her bonsais.
Nicole, can you show the bonsais again, if you don't mind?
Right.
Okay, so now moving on to the North Zone with Mr. Soumik Das. A little bit about the bonsai ambassador from the North Zone. Mr. Soumik Das is a passionate bonsai lover and a penching artist who loves to do rock arrangements and has been practicing this art form for the last 15 years. The North Zone consists of Himachal Pradesh, UP, Delhi, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, and Jammu and Kashmir. Hello, sir.
Namaskar. Namaskar. I am Bonsai Ambassador of North Zone. 7 states, 12 clubs, and more than 50 participants has taken part in this virtual exhibition from North. If I'm talking about my zone, we have extreme climatic conditions. In summers, the temperature rise up to 45 to 47 degrees Celsius, and in winters, it drops down to 3 to 4 degrees Celsius. We have to take proper care of our bonsai in both the weathers. Despite these climatic conditions, we are blessed with many varieties of plants like pine, juniper, celtis, dividivi, jungle jalebi, upper coleria, and many, many more varieties. These different varieties have different characteristics. Upper coleria decorai and dividivi plants have the smallest leaves in the plant family. In North, basically we do the repotting in the monsoon season, but there are few varieties like pine and juniper. The suitable time for repotting them is in the month of December to January in North. Nature has gifted us so many natural resources like rivers, forests, mountains. These riverbeds and forests are the main source from where we can collect our Susaiki and driftwood in the North region. Now I request all the viewers and participants to see the best 5 bonsai of my zone. Thank you.
So next, we move on to the Central Zone, the bonsai ambassador for Central Zone, Mrs. Reva Jain. Mrs. Reva Jain is a long-time passionate bonsai collector and educator from Bhopal. The Central Zone consists of Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Chhattisgarh. Hello, ma'am.
नमस्कार, मैं सेंट्रल जोन में छत्तीसगढ़, मध्य प्रदेश और राजस्थान राज्य के कुल 8 क्लब आते हैं, जिसके 42 सदस्यों ने प्रदर्शनी में भाग लिया है। सेंट्रल जोन में अधिकतर फाइकस की विभिन्न प्रजातियों के पौधों का बोनसाई बनाया जाता है। इस जोन में सोसाइटी बनाए जाने लायक पत्थर मध्य प्रदेश के पचमढ़ी, बैतूल, होशंगाबाद, छिंदवाड़ा, जबलपुर, दमोह एवं छत्तीसगढ़ के रायगढ़, बस्तर, बालोद, अंबिकापुर तथा राजस्थान में जैसलमेर, बांसवाड़ा और उदयपुर आदि जिलों में अधिकतर मिलते हैं। सेंट्रल जोन में मिश्रित मौसम के प्रभाव के कारण गर्मियों में तापमान लगभग 50 डिग्री तक पहुंच जाता है और सर्दियों में लगभग 3 से 4 डिग्री तक चला जाता है। बरसात यहाँ औसत से अच्छी होती है, अतः फाइकस के सभी प्रकार के पौधों के लिए यहाँ का वातावरण अनुकूल है। सेंट्रल जोन में से बेस्ट बोनसाई तीन बोनसाई और 2 सुसेकी चुने गए हैं। धन्यवाद।
Okay. So now moving on to the East Zone, the bonsai ambassador, Mrs. Sonali Roy Chaudhary. She's a bonsai artist and landscape designer by profession, who has been in the field for 25 years and has been teaching for 15 years. The East Zone consists of Odisha, Assam, Bengal, Jharkhand, and Manipur. Hello, ma'am.
Hi. Namaskar. I am from the East Zone. Here we have 2 clubs of Kolkata and several artists from the districts of Bengal participating in this show. We also have with us artists from Assam, Orissa, Jharkhand, and Manipur with us. Overall, there were 43 participants, and of which 26 have got selected for the show. The best season for growing bonsai in this area is from the month of February to October. This is the time when the plants are absolutely lush green and vibrant. The important plant in this zone, in this variety which grows here, is Ficus bengalensis. And the great banyan tree, which is located in the botanical garden, is more than 250 years old. It is 3.5 acres wide and is the widest plant in the world. It has 2,800 aerial roots and it has the appearance of a forest. Another species which is common to this area is Flacotia indica. It is popularly called the boich, and the berries of this plant have great medicinal use. It is widely used in Ayurveda. Both the above mentioned plants make excellent bonsai. Now I request you to visit the 5 best bonsais of my zone.
Now, moving on to the West Zone, Bonsai Ambassador, Mr. Abhay Pandit. Mr. Abhay Pandit studied ceramic art in Sir J.J. Institute of Applied Arts, Mumbai, and is into handmade ceramic bonsai pots for 25 years. The West Zone consists of Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Goa. Hello, Mr. Abhay.
Namaste. The West Zone consists of Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Goa, and there are almost 12 clubs in this West Zone. In West Zone, lots of native plants are grown for bonsai like Desmodium, Gulmehdi, Premna, Kamini, Okna, etc. The best time for the artists to work on their bonsai in West Zone is the spring season, February to March. The Western Ghat is a very rich source for the collection of Susiki material. The West Zone has been a major source of ceramic pots manufacturing for all the bonsai artists in India. The best 5 bonsais are as follows. Thank you.
Okay. So I hope you all were paying attention because like I mentioned in the start, we're going to keep this session interactive. So we're going to ask you 10 questions. All the answers were there in all the Bonsai Ambassadors speeches. Okay. So the questions are going to come up on your screen. I'd like you all to answer all 10 of them. We're going to take about 3 to 4 minutes for this. So answer to the best of your ability and let's begin. There are 10 questions. Please answer each one of them. And at the end of this, I'll be sharing the results.
They can scroll down or write?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Karan, you can direct them that they can scroll down.
Sure, ma'am. So there are 10 options. So if all the options aren't visible to you, like if you're on your laptop, you can scroll down and you can see all the questions. So there are 10 questions. You need to answer all 10 of them. Yes, all the results have already started coming in. We're all here to learn, so let's answer to the best of our abilities. And we will be sharing the correct results.
So we're getting the results?
Yes, ma'am. We'll wait for a minute or two more because we have over 450 people. So we're just going to wait a little bit longer and then we'll maybe a minute more. Over 100 of you have already answered. Let's. Great. The last 30 seconds. Let's answer the best we can, all 10 of them. And so I'll share the results in another 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, great. We've got great response from all of you. It's absolutely. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing the results. I'm going to end the poll, actually. And now I'm going to share the results with all of you. Okay, now these are your answers. Okay, I'm going to be sharing the correct results as well. So if you all can scroll down, these are the answers that we all have answered. So you can scroll down to all 10 options. That's option 1, question 1 to 10, all of them. And you can see the percentages in which all of us have answered. So if we can go to the next slide, I'm going to share the answers with you. Okay? This is for your reference. You all can go through this and understand what the correct answer is. So we've broken this down to zone-wise. As we mentioned, there's a lot of effort that the Bonsai ambassadors have done. So they've picked these questions for you to best learn from whatever they spoke about. The answers are the one in bold. So for example, in the question 1, pick the ficus which is not in South Asian, in Indian region. The correct answer is ficus microcarpa. Similarly, in the question 2, from the South Zone. As we mentioned, we've broken this down into zone-wise. So the Central Zone, East Zone, as well as the West Zone, questions and answers are mentioned here. The idea of today's exhibition is not only to be inspired with these beautiful bonsais and artists, but also learn from them, right? So I hope you'll take note of these questions and these answers. Great. Thank you again for all of you for participating. I love the enthusiasm. We're going to move on to our next segment. Now, Mr. Sudhir will take us to the judges' decision on our videos and exhibition.
Thank you very much, Karan. I take this opportunity to request Mr. Sujay Shah to announce the winner of the first section, that is the Best of the Show Virtual Bonsai and Suseki Exhibition 2021. Sujay, please announce the winner of the best video of an upcoming artist also while you announce the results. Over to you, Sujay.
Yeah, it's actually all are good, but I am very much impressed with Yash Jain's talk and his his enthusiasm.
Okay. Sujay, we would also request you to announce the best of the show.
Yeah. Okay. Best of the show. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is number 77. Is the best of the show plan.
Thank you, Sujay. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Sujay. Dear friends, please give a huge round of applause to the winners of the Best of the Show Virtual Bonsai and Suseki Exhibition 2021 Tamarinthus Indica by Mrs. Kanaka Balram and the best video of an upcoming artist, Yash Jain. I request Mr. Mohammad Anisul Haq to announce the winners of the best of each region, namely the North, South, East, West, and Central. This particular section was judged by Mr. Anisul, so I request him to kindly announce the winners.
Thank you. There are lots of beautiful bonsai and suiseki. It was really tough to select winner, but finally I have to select the winner. First, South Zone, slide number 2, plant Ficus benjamina noda. Slide number 2, Ficus benjamina noda. South Zone. Yes. Yes. Then North Zone, slide number 10, plant Ficus Long Island. After that, Central Zone, slide number 11, suiseki. Yes. Then East Zone, slide number 19, plant Ficus racemosa. Then West Zone, slide number 23, plant Rhytia religiosa. Yes.
Thank you, Anisul.
Yeah.
Yes, we got it. Thank you very much, Anisul. A big round of applause to all our winners from each region. I reiterate, North Region, Ficus Long Island by Ms. Sushma Kumar. South Region, Ficus benjamina nuda by Mrs. Lata Rao. East Region, Ficus racemosa by Mr. Nipendranath Mondal. West Region, Rhytia religiosa by Mrs. Rupa Shah. And in the Central Region, we have a suiseki of Mr. Maninder Singh. Congratulations to all our winners. Thanks to our judges for their judgment and support to South Asia Bonsai Federation. I hand over the session back to Karan. Karan, over to you.
Thank you, Sudhir. So now we have Mr. Soumik Das, the Bonsai Ambassador from the North Zone, who has something for us.
We are interested in bringing a new blood to the forefront. One such artist who is not in the admin team but has been working behind the scene. We asked him why he supports SABF. Here is his answer.
Good evening, everyone. I'd like to especially thank Mrs. Sneh Prasad, President of South Asian Bonsai Federation, for giving me this opportunity to speak on this occasion. Often we forget our talent when we choose our profession based merely on our educational qualifications and certificates. We neglect our interests and specializations, and gradually our talent starts vanishing. On our journey, that's when organizations such as this, the South Asian Bonsai Federation, comes to play a major role in tapping our talent and portraying it to the world. Over the past 2 years, while being a member of South Asian Bonsai Federation, I've been observing this organization deeply and watching how they dive into nook and corners of cities, towns and villages to hunt for talent, and after which they try their best to portray them on national and international platforms across the globe. Today's event, this virtual exhibition, is one of the milestones which SABF has proved to everyone that talent is hunted and talent is portrayed. Apart from just recognizing talent, SABF is nurturing bonsai enthusiasts to learn more by involving various professionals to spread knowledge, like the photography session, the suiseki session we've had in the past few months. Look at India on the bonsai map now and 10 years ago. Bonsai is growing in strides and spreading like waves. More and more people are venturing into bonsai to make it either their hobby or their livelihood. Lots of talented people have come out of their cocoons and showcased their talent today, all because SABF has stood beside them as a pillar of strength. SABF has always been beneficial to me, and I'm always indebted to the organization for believing in me and my talent and giving me opportunities on the national level and also on international platforms under the leadership and guidance of Sneh ma'am. I am forever honored to be a part of SABF. Before I leave, I would love to say, believe in yourself, trust your heart and mind, and put that to practice. Never ever allow somebody to rule your talent, because everyone is born with unique skills and talent, and that is what makes each one of us special. Always remember, there are organizations such as South Asian Bonsai Federation to support us. Thank you.
Next, we have Mr. Abhay Pandit from the West Zone.
Mr. Govindraj from Central India, Hyderabad, is a very creative artist who has created these pieces with his own imagination. I'm happy to show a short glimpse of his creative video.
Your hats. This is the front view, this is the side view, this is the inside view. Now once you do your carving, once it is finished, you can use the sandpaper and emery paper, sandpaper or emery paper to give a fine finish for the pots so that it will have a smooth finish. Once this is done, you can use colors of your choice which is available in the market. Mix it with plain cement, the green cement or the white cement, and paint it with a paint brush. Not 1, 2 times double coating so that it will stay for lifetime. Now let us get into the main work of today's carving. I will just show you the pot what we have done. It is not yet complete. What you are able to see, this is the pot what we are going to do. Little more work is there. We will complete that. You may just feel what I am trying to do or what I am showing to you. If you clearly see, this is the front of the pot. This is the front of the pot. It will stand upright like this.
Next, moving on, we have Mrs. Sonali Roy Chaudhary from the East Zone.
I'm happy to announce that printed certificates of SABF will reach all participants through the ambassadors to their respective zones. Certificate for the best bonsai of the zone and best bonsai of the show will also be awarded similarly.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we have Mrs. Reva Jain from the Central Zone.
जीवन में एक ही चीज निरंतर है, वो है बदलाव। किसी भी प्रकार की आपदा हमें कुछ समय के लिए रोक भले ही सकती है, लेकिन हरा नहीं सकती है। यह शायद ही किसी ने सोचा होगा कि बोनसाई जैसी खूबसूरत कला की प्रदर्शनी आधुनिक तकनीक के माध्यम से भी प्रदर्शित की जा सकती है। मैं बहुत हर्ष और उल्लास के साथ आप सभी का बोनसाई की पहली या यूं कहूं विश्व की प्रथम वर्चुअल बोनसाई प्रदर्शनी में हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूं। जैसे बहुत सारी जड़ें एक वृक्ष को मजबूती से सदियों के लिए पकड़े रखते हैं, वैसे ही हमारे सदस्य हमारे बोनसाई क्लब को सदियों तक बनाए रखने के लिए सक्षम हैं। मैं जून माह के होने वाली बोनसाई की प्रदर्शनी की घोषणा करना चाहती हूँ, इसलिए आप सभी सदस्यों से मेरा विनम्र निवेदन है कि जून माह में होने वाली बोनसाई प्रदर्शनी की तैयारी आज से ही प्रारंभ कर दी जाए। नमस्ते। अब मैं करण जी को अनुरोध करूंगी कि प्रोग्राम आगे बढ़ाएं।
Next, we have Mrs. Anupama Vedachila, the Bonsai Ambassador from the South Zone.
It's an honor to have been asked to offer the vote of thanks on the occasion of the first SABF Virtual Winter Exhibition 2021. On behalf of all our young and enthusiastic ambassadors who have really worked hard in putting up this show, I would like to thank our President of SABF, Mrs. Sneha Prasad, and our Secretary of SABF, Mr. Sudhir Jadhav, who have been guiding and inspiring force for this exhibition. First and foremost, I would like to thank all the participants and presidents of all the clubs for their effort in procuring the material and making the exhibition a success. We extend our sincere and wholehearted thanks to all the audience across the world who have been part of this event. Last but not the least, we would like to thank Mr. Karan for compiling and comparing this show. We are very thankful to all the senior bonsai artists for sharing their review of their collection. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. And I hope you all enjoyed. I'm going to show you all, we're not done with this yet. Some details how you all can stay in touch or reach out to South Asia Bonsai Federation. The details are mentioned here through WhatsApp, through their Facebook account, or as well as through their email. Like I said, we're not done with this exhibition. We have a special treat for you all after this, but we would love your feedback. Feedback really helps us understand how we've done and can better your experience for yourself the next time. So we'd love to hear your feedback. The feedback link will be shared on the chat box right now. You can use this feedback link and share your feedback with us. And we love to hear whatever you have to say. And of course, I'd like to reiterate, I'm Karan Mulchandani and I'm the founder of Enlightened Sapiens. And we hold sessions like these, for corporates and groups of individuals and schools. So if you'd like to stay in touch with us or reach out to us, you can do so through any of our social media platforms, through Instagram, through Facebook, we have videos on YouTube, as well as our website. And of course, we are there on email, so you can just email us if you'd like us to help you in any format. And like I said, I hope, South Asia Bonsai Federation has a surprise for you. And our Secretary Sudhir Jadhav, Mr. Sudhir Jadhav, will tell you all about it.
Thank you, Karan. Dear friends, in this segment, we are presenting our national treasure to you, the 10 senior bonsai artists from India. We have been having these artists around for last several decades, but they've never been showcased. We are opening this treasure box for all of you for the first time, and we hope you enjoy these jewels. Over to you, Karan.
Namaskaram. I am Kanaka Balraman from Riksha Bonsai Club, Bangalore. I am into this field of bonsai art since 35 years. Although I have worked on 40 to 50 species, I am going to speak about 4 to 5 species which I feel the best in my collection. Let me begin with my Gulmohar bonsai, which is a collected plant. It's with me since 25 years. Next is my favorite bonsai, tamarind, which is loaded with fruits you are seeing. This I have grown from a small seedling. Every year I am getting 4 to 5 kg. And tastes also so good. I feel proud to show my penjing because the stones what I have used collected from my own farm, my hometown Theni in Tamil Nadu. The plants I have used are Carmona microphylla. The same stones also I have used for Susaiki. I feel this has got very good character. That looks like a dragon face and this looks like a plateau. Thank you for viewing. Happy bonsai.
I'm Kavita Jhunjhunwala. I've been doing bonsai for over 30 years now. Welcome to my bonsai park.
Hi, my name is Shyama Balbir and I'm part of the Indian Bonsai Association, New Delhi. And I'm passionately involved with bonsai for the last 30 years. I have several varieties in my collection. Jungle Jalebi is one of them. This is a Celtis and this is an Adansonia digitata. Then I have a Wax Malpigia. Then there is a Ficus retusa. And last of all, again, a Jungle Jalebi. There are several more in my collection that you will see in the video.
I'm Harshita Vikkandas, past president for the Bonsai Club of Bhopal. I'm very passionate for my bonsai plants, and I love doing the works. I'm working since 25 years, and I'm doing all sort of plants, but my favorite is landscape.
This is geometry and it's 15 years old, and this is my favorite plant. This is landscape. It contains, the main plant is Patranjiva, and it is a Philanthus and Exora and all Raja pillars. The natural beauty of Chochlera is 17 years old.
I am Suchita Reddy, member of Friends Bonsai Society, affiliated to SABF. I have been practicing this art of bonsai since 30 years. This is Australian ficus. This plant gives more roots, and this is a winter look. This is acacia. It gives yellow flowers, and this is a local variety of acacia. Its local name is Narlinga, and it's called oil cake tree. I collected it as a stump. Later on, I kept it in a sand for more than 10 years. And afterwards, front part was rotten, so I removed everything. After that, it was very beautiful. I did some little bit carving. It has a twin trunk. This is small leaf Manila tamarind. Front portion dried up. This stone collected it from Ellora Ajanta. This is the near view of the stone.
मैं सुषमा, वाइफ ऑफ लेट मेजर अशोक कुमार, अपने हस्बैंड के साथ पिछले 25 सालों से देहरादून में बॉन्जाइज पे काम कर रहे हैं। हमारे पास ह्यूज कलेक्शन ऑफ पाइन्स, जिंको बाइलोबा, आइवी, वाटर ब्रश, फाइकसेस and tropical and hilly plants are there. We have fruit plants also along with. We have won Bonsais Awards, World Bonsai में and 2005 में हमने award जीता।
Hello friends, I'm Shalini Jalan. I've been doing bonsais for the last 34 to 35 years. These are some of my bonsais. It's a tamarind. A casuarina. Casuarina forest. Another casuarina is the windswept style. Another tamarind. It's a rain tree forest. Thank you.
Hello bonsai friends, my name is Champa Kabra. I am from the Bangalore Vriksha Bonsai Club and I have been doing bonsai practicing for a number of years, over 25 years, but I have been in the club since the last 18 years. And this is one of my old plants. It's almost 50 years old, given to me by my aunt. I have a lot of species, so I will show some of them to you all. This is the Divi forest, and this is juniper. This is the old lipstick ficus. I've been concentrating on the trunk line and the Nibari here.
Namaskar, I am Kiran Sancheti from Indore, the cleanest and beautiful city of India. I am passionate for bonsai. मैं करीब 20 साल से bonsai कर रही हूँ और मेरे पास नियरली कई स्पीशीज के बॉन्साई हैं। फाइकस की सारी वैरायटीज हैं, गुलमोहर है, जेड है, स्पिनोसा है, कई फ्रूटिंग प्लांट्स हैं। आइए मैं आपको अपनी खिरनी दिखाती हूँ जो कि करीब 20 साल पुराना है। दिस इज माय खिरनी। It has beautiful nivari, and this is my jade. This is 10 years old. This is bougainvillea, Sohin of bougainvillea. This is spinosa. This is also 10 years old. This is on rock. आइए मैं आपको अपने कुछ और बॉन्साई दिखाती हूँ। This is my jade. This is 15 years old, and this is raft style Ficus panda. That one is bird on rock. This is an informal style. These are also Ficus panda. This is bougainvillea. This is 5 years old. This is Psyche of Ficus tiger, and this is Khirni. This is also Psyche of Ficus tiger. ये मेरे कुछ बोगनविलास हैं जो कि डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स में हैं और फ्लावरिंग हैं। मेरे पास करीब 50-60 बॉन्साइज हैं। उसमें फाइकस की सबसे ज़्यादा वैरायटीज़ हैं क्योंकि हमारे क्लाइमेट में फाइकस सबसे ज़्यादा चलता है। ये पाखर है, ये गुलमोहर है, ये पुत्रनजीवा है, ये अगेन बड़ है। तो इस तरह से जो वैरायटीज़ इंदौर में चलती हैं वही मैं ज़्यादा ग्रो करती हूँ और मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं काफ़ी लंबे समय तक ये अपना शौक़ पूरा कर सकूं, बॉन्साई बना सकूं, और यही मेरी लाइफलाइन है।
I've been developing bonsai since 20 years. I'm also a member of the Vriksha Bonsai Circle. I have done more than 50 species in bonsai. Some of my favorites are Balsagent Raintree and Casuarina. I have some of my bonsai here on display.
thank you all again for joining us, and we'll see you for our next event. I'd like to thank you all on behalf of South Asia Bonsai Federation for taking the time out again to be here. I hope you all enjoyed this virtual Bonsai and Suzeki exhibition 2021.
Thank you and goodbye from South Asia Bonsai Federation. Thank you very much for viewing the program today. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much.